How much should you actually spend on a bull bar for your Ram 1500? Some people are thrilled with the budget options, while others feel disappointed with the pricier models. It's a bit puzzling, but today we're breaking down the top contenders to help you make the right choice. Product number 1: Tiger Auto Bumper Guard. First up is the Tiger Auto TG GD6D60068 Front Bumper Guard. Priced at $199, this bull bar caught my attention with its sleek, textured black finish and solid build. If you want a reliable way to protect your truck while enhancing its look, this is worth a serious look. It features a heavy-duty 2.5-inch marine-grade stainless steel tubing frame, which means it's built to withstand the elements and resist rust. The seamless welding adds to the sturdy structure, so you can feel confident it's going to hold up in tough situations. Plus, it has pre-welded channels for optional LED lights, perfect if you're looking to add some extra visibility on off-road adventures. With 382 reviews averaging 4.6 stars, users appreciate the easy bolt-on installation, although it does require minor cutting and can interfere with front sensors. Now, some people complained about the fit not being perfect for every model, especially the Rebel and Warlock versions. Here's the thing though, if you have one of the compatible models, it's a fantastic investment for added protection and style. This is perfect for you if you're a Ram owner looking to beef up your front end without a hassle. Skip this one if your truck doesn't fit the specified models. Overall, it offers great value for the price. Now, if the installation concerns for Tiger Auto bothered you, this next one might take a completely different approach. Product number 2: AUTOSAVER Bull Bar. Next up is the AUTOSAVER 88.3 Bull Bar, priced at $149.99. This one immediately stood out due to its shiny stainless steel finish. If you're after a stylish yet protective option, this bull bar deserves your attention. Compatible with the same models as our last pick, this bull bar is crafted from a durable 3-inch high glossy stainless steel frame. It features pre-drilled holes for additional lighting and comes with a removable anti-rust skid plate, giving you flexibility in how you want to customize it. With 268 reviews and an average rating of 4.3 stars, many users rave about the easy installation process that requires no drilling, making it a great DIY project for truck enthusiasts. However, a few users reported receiving their product with dents and scratches. Now, while that's frustrating, AUTOSAVER has decent customer service to address those issues, so it might not be a deal-breaker if you're willing to double-check upon arrival. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on style or functionality. Skip this one if you need a bull bar with a more rugged design. For the price, it offers solid value and great looks. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for heavy-duty performance. Product number 3: Tiger Auto Bumper Guard 2003-2005. The Tiger Auto TG GD6D60088 is our third pick, priced at $199 and rated an impressive 4.8 stars from 105 reviews. This model boasts a heavy-duty 2.5-inch tubing frame with a durable E-coating textured black finish for rust resistance. That means you're not just getting a great look, you're getting a protective layer that's built to last. The seamless welding ensures a strong structure, and just like the others, it includes a light mount channel for those who want to add auxiliary lights. Installation is designed to be easy, although you'll need to remove tow hooks and do some minor cutting if your model has them. Now, a few users pointed out that it can interfere with front sensors, which can be a hassle if you rely on them. But if you're aware of this and don't mind the trade-off for the added protection, then it's still a top contender. This is perfect for you if you own an older Ram and want to upgrade its front-end protection without a fuss. Skip this one if your truck is a newer model or has front sensors. At its price point, it strikes a nice balance of value and durability. Now, if the installation complexities gave you pause, this next bull bar might offer a simpler solution. Product number 4: AISHAN Bull Bar. Coming in at $145.99, the AISHAN Bull Bar is our fourth pick. It drew my attention because it combines functionality with a tough look. If you want a bull bar that also makes a statement, this could be the one for you. This bull bar is designed for 2009-2010 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2019-2023 Ram 1500 Classic models. It features a 3-inch enlarged diameter tubing with seamless welding, which provides extra reinforcement for better durability. Made from high-grade steel, it's built to last while also enhancing the appeal of your truck's front end. With 163 reviews and an average of 4.3 stars, users appreciate its straightforward installation process with no drilling required. Just bolt it on and you're good to go. However, some users reported receiving items with scratches or dents, which can be disappointing. But if you're handy and able to touch it up, it shouldn't deter you from considering this option. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish option that's also easy to install. Skip this if you want the absolute strongest protection available. For a good combination of durability and design, it's a solid choice. Now, if aesthetic appeal isn't your main priority, the next product might fit your needs even better. Product number 5, Tiger Auto Bumper Guard 2019-2024. Finally, we have the Tiger Auto TGGD6D60658, coming in at $199 and rated 4.8 stars from 57 reviews. This one is specifically made for the 2019-2024 Dodge Ram 1500 models, and it immediately caught my attention for its sturdy construction and sleek design. If you have a newer model, listen up. This bull bar is made of heavy-duty 2.5-inch marine-grade carbon steel tubing with a mirror-polished finish, providing excellent rust resistance and a clean look. The seamless welding enhances its durability, making it perfect for off-road adventures. It also has pre-welded channels for adding LED lights and comes with a detailed installation manual. Just keep in mind that minor cutting on the air dam is required, and it could interfere with front sensors. Some users noted the installation could be slightly tricky due to the cutting requirement. However, if you're comfortable with basic DIY, it's a manageable task that results in a great protective feature for your truck. This is perfect for you if you own a newer Ram model and need a durable bull bar that looks great. Skip this if you're not ready to do a little cutting. For the quality, it offers excellent value for the price. In summary, we've looked at some fantastic options today. The Tiger Auto models bring solid construction and style, while AUTOSAVER 88 and AISHAN provide budget-friendly choices. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what fits your needs best. To wrap it up, whether you're looking for rugged protection, stylish aesthetics, or budget-friendly options, there's a bull bar on this list for you. Tiger Auto consistently delivers solid builds, while AUTOSAVER 88 and AISHAN offer value without compromising too much on quality. No matter what you choose, make sure it fits your specific truck model.